Ma'am.
Good afternoon, children.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Good afternoon.
Good afternoon,
Okay, children. Good afternoon. Last class we started divisibility rules. Okay, divisibility rules we started in our last period. Okay, so we learned divisibility rules of 2 and 3. Who can tell me divisibility rule of 2?
Ma'am, if an even number comes in a
Angelina, before, yes, you are saying the answer.
yes, ma'am.
Okay, I didn't choose by immediately you started. Okay, okay, Angelina, yes. Divisibility
Ma'am,
rule of 2.
ma'am, in a 3-digit or 4-digit number, if the last digit is even number, we can divide it by
It is
the
divisible by 2.
2.
Children, it's not compulsory if it is 3-digit or 4-digit. Any number we can take. Okay,
Okay, ma'am.
we can see any digit number, but we are learning like I think 5-digit numbers only division. So any number of digits, no problem. But if the last digit is even number, and you know even number is ending with 0, 2, 4.
This divisibility rule?
Huh?
On which page is divisibility rule?
That I will tell you. Okay, now wait and listen to me. So all the children, we started divisibility rules of 2 and 3, and Angelina told what is the divisibility rule for 2. See the last digit, that is ones digit. That digit, if it is an even number, that means if it is ending with 0, 2, 4, 6, 8, that means that number is divisible by 2. Okay. Now, divisibility rule 3. Can you tell me, Manu? Yes.
Ma'am,
Ah.
if a number is multiplied by 3, we should check that all the numbers added together. If a number
All
is
the numbers
that,
means all the digits of the number. Yes.
yes.
All the digits of the number. Okay. We will add ones place, tens place, 100 place, 1000 place. All the digits we will add. And if it is divisible.
And some we will get should be in that 3 table.
3 stable. That means that sum should be divisible by 3. Then that number is divisible. Okay. Now we are going to study now divisibility rule of 4. Okay, divisibility rule of 4. Now, if the number formed by the last 2 digits of the given number, it must be divisible by 4. Children, I will show you that screen. Okay. Okay, let me check, okay. That divisibility rules, I will show you that now. Okay. Okay, children, I hope it's... Is it visible, Agnes? Can you see that board? Agnes, please unmute Agnes.
Yes, ma'am.
Can you see the board?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So children, we have finished divisibility rule of 2. That means if the last digit is even number 0, 2, 4, 6, 8, that is divisible. And rule number 2, check whether it is divisible by 3. What you have to do, if the sum of the digit is divisible by 3, then it is divisible by 3. Now we are going to do if the last 2 digits of the number divisible by 4. Here now, which is the last 2 digits? Harsha, please unmute and tell me. In the example here, which is the last 2 digits? Huh?
Ma'am, which one?
Divisibility rule of 4, and here we can see the last 2 digits here. Here. 8512, which is the last 2 digits? can you see the board? Harsha?
12 and 18.
Harsha cannot see the board.
Ma'am, 1 and 2.
Not 1 and 2. 1 and 2. So how we'll read that number? 12. Okay.
12.
If the last two digits of the number is divisible by 4, then it is divisible by 4. Okay. Adinath, can you please tell me? Please unmute and tell me. Is this 12 divisible by 4?
Yes.
Is 12 divisible by 4? Yes. That means this number 8512 is divisible by 4. What we have to do? You have to see the last two digits. Last two digits. What is it here? It is 12. Then that number is divisible by 4. Or we can last two digits, if they are 0, then also it is divisible by 4. So children, we have, Anusri, can you please tell me the rule, divisibility rule for 4? Can you read? Yes, unmute and read. Please unmute.
Yes, ma'am. Can you hear me?
The divisibility of
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
louder.
If the last two digits form a number divisible
By 4. If the last two digit is divisible by 4, that means it is divisible by 4. Okay. Now, if divisibility rule of 5 we are going to study. If the last digit is 0 or 5. Children, you know the table of 5? Table of 5, how it will end? Either 0 or 5. So if the last digit is 0 or 5, that is divisible by 5. Okay. If the last digit is 0 or 5, it is divisible by 5. Okay. Now, who is going to tell me now? Srihari, can you please unmute? Srihari. Srihari, can you hear me? Okay, Gautam. Yes, Srihari, can you hear? Okay, Gautam, please unmute and tell me the divisibility rule of 5. Yes, Gautam. Divisibility rule of 5. Divisibility rule of 5. If the last digit is
5.
5 or
5 or 0.
0. Okay, very good. So children, if the last digit is 0 or 5, that means that number is divisible by 5. Okay, so can you guess and tell me which will be the rule for 10? If you check the multiplication table of 10, you should be knowing, no? Which will be the last digit?
0.
Okay, Felix.
0.
0. Very good. Okay. So you compare and study table divisibility rule of 5 and divisibility rule of 10. So in table 5, you know, it is alternate like 5, 0, 5, 0. The table like 5 into 1, 5, 5 into 2, 10, then 15, 20. So if the last digit is 0 or 5, that is that number can be divided by 5. Understood?
ma'am.
If the last digit. If the last digit is 0 means that is divisible by 10. Understood?
Yes, ma'am.
So what we have learned divisibility rule of 2, 3, 4, 5, 10. Who can tell me all these? Who can tell me the divisibility rules of? Okay, Agnay then Manu. Okay, Agnay, please unmute and speak. Divisibility rule of 2 first. Louder.
If the last two digits are ending with 0, 2, 4, 6 or 8, it will be divisible by 2.
Okay, very good. All the children, please pay attention and study now itself. I will ask. After Agnay and Manu, I will ask one by one. So all the children, if you don't practice, you will get confusion. So what you have to do? Listen properly. Okay, yes. Agnay, continue.
Rule of 3. When we add the digits, the
Digits.
sum must be divisible by 3.
Okay, the divisibility rule of 3 means we have to add the digits, and if the sum of the digit is divisible by 3, that means the given number is divisible by 3. Okay, rule of 4.
If any number, the last digit is divisible by 4,
Last how many digits?
the last two digits
2
are
digits. Okay, that is compulsory. Last 2 digits. Okay, last 2 digits of the given number must be divided by 4. Or we can say if both the digits are 0. If both the digits are 0 also, means last 2 digits are 0, 0. Then also it is divisible. Or if the last 2 digits, for example, last 2 digits 12, 16, then 20, 24, like that. If it is in the multiplication table of 4, that means that is divisible by 4. Okay, then rule of 5.
If the last digit is ending with 0 or 5, it is divisible by 5.
Very good. Last digit, if it is ending with 0 and 5. Okay, then 10.
If the last digit is ending with 0, it will be
Divisible by 10. Okay, now Manu, can we start?
Ma'am,
Ah,
if if the last digit of the number is even, it is divisible by
2.
2.
Yes, very good. Okay, then 3.
If we add up all of the digits in the number,
Ah.
if that number is divisible by 3, we can,
Then that number is divisible by 3. Okay, very good. What about 4?
if at least the two tens
Not
and
at
more,
least. If the last 2 digits, okay. If the last 2 digit,
if the last two digits is
divisible
divisible by 4, it is divisible.
it is divisible by 4. And children, if it is last two digits are 0, then also it is divisible. Okay. Now, divisibility rule of 5. Table number. If the last
If the digit ends in 0 or 5, it is divisible by 5.
Very good. And what about the last one, 10?
If any digit ends with 10, it ends with 0, it is divisible with
By
10.
10. Okay. Now, Angelina, I gave you that time chance. Now, who can say? Now, Agni and Manu finished. Now, one more person can say. Who is confident? No? Okay, Angelina, then start.
When the last digit of a number is an even number, it can be divisible by 2.
Okay, if the last digit
And
is even number, divisible by 2.
when we
What about rule of
if the last 3, ma'am,
yes, continue. The
ma'am,
sum
I'm
of the
telling.
yes, Angelina, continue.
The sum of, ma'am, we should add the digits, and if we get the answer should be there in the multiplication table of the 3. Then it can be divisible
If the sum of the
3.
digits is divisible by 3, then that given number is divisible by 3. Okay.
Ma'am, and the last 2 digits of a number will should be in the multiplication table of 4. Then it can be divisible.
Then it is divisible by it.
And 2 zeros also.
Then also it is divisible by 4.
Okay. By 4.
Okay. What
And
about 5?
the last digit should be 0 or 5. Then it can be divisible by
5.
5. And the tens last digit should be 0. So it can be divisible by 10.
Then it is divisible by 10. Okay. So children, all the children, you have to practice these divisibility rules. Then only, otherwise you should divide and check whether it is divisible. But if you know these divisibility rules, it is very easy that you can find out whether the given number is divisible by the devices. Okay. Now we are going to learn 2 more numbers, that is 6 and 9. 6 and 9. We are going to learn two more divisibility rules. That is, if the number 6, how we can check whether the number is divisible by 6? If the number is divisible by 2 and 3. Okay, children, we know how to check the divisibility rule of 2 if the last digit is even. And if the sum of the digit is divisible by 3, then you know that is divisible by 3. If the given number is divisible by both 2 and 3, then the given number is divisible by 6. Okay, let's check that. Okay, so if the number is divisible by both 2 and 3. Okay, children, you have here 48. The number is here 48. So, you know the last digit is what? Isha. Isha, please unmute and speak. Yes, Isha, please check. If
Yes,
what is the
ma'am.
last digit?
In
48.
which number? For
48.
8.
8. So, is it divisible by 2?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. And add 4 plus 8 to check whether it is divisible by 3. 4 plus 8 is
12.
12.
It's
Is it
divisible by 3.
Yes.
Yes.
So it is both divisible by both 2 and 3. So that is divisible by 6. Okay. If the given number is divisible by both 2 and 3, then it is divisible by 6. And look at the last one, 9. If the sum of the digit is divisible by 9. See, children, it is same as divisibility rule of 3. If the sum of the digit is divisible by 3, then it is divisible by 3. And if the ones digit of the given, no, sum of the digits of the given number must be divisible by 9. Okay. So divisibility rule of 3 and 9, they are similar. Here, the sum of the digits is divisible by 3. Here, the sum of the digit is divisible by 9. Okay. So, Chinmay, can you read these divisibility rules? Can you please unmute? Chinmay? Richard, can you please unmute? Richard, please unmute. Okay, let me check what's the problem there. So, I'm going to call.
Now I can see.
1 minute, okay. Okay, Richard is going. Yes, Agne, you have any doubt?
Ma'am, can you share the
1
screen,
minute,
please?
1 minute, 1 minute. Okay, Agne, yes.
Ma'am, and the rule for 9, the sum of the digits must be 9.
Must be divisible by 9. Sum of the digits must be divisible by 9.
Ma'am, must be equal to 9, then only we can.
If the sum of the digits of the given number must be divisible by 9, then it can be divided by 9. If it is divisible, if it is in the table, okay. If the sum of the digits, for example, 5 plus 4 plus 9, if you add, if it is there in the table of 9, 9, 18, 27, then we can divide by 9. Okay, now I'm going to share the screen one more time. Richard, are you ready to read?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, all the children please mute, otherwise you will not be able to hear properly.
Ma'am, divisibility rule of 7 and 8 is not.
Not here, that is not for you now. You can study only this much, okay?
Okay, ma'am.
Richard, from the beginning, divisibility rules, okay.
Divisibility rule of 2. If the last digit is even, 2, 0, 2, 4, 6 or 8.
Okay, so if the last digit is even number, then it is divisible by 2, okay. Rule of 3.
If the sum of the digit is divisible by 3.
Okay, if the sum of the digits is divisible by 3, then that number is divisible by 3, okay.
If the last 2 digits form a number divisible by 4, then it can divisible by 4.
4. If the last two digits, okay children, please study when Richard is reading. All the children are supposed to read and study now itself. Okay. If the last two digits is divisible by 4, that means it is divisible by 4. Okay.
If the last digit is 0 or 5, it will be divisible by 5.
Okay. Very good. Continue.
If the number is divisible by both 2 and 3, it will be divisible by 6.
6. Okay.
If the sum of the digit is divisible by 9, then it will be divisible by 9.
Okay.
If the last digit is 0, then it will be divisible by 10.
Divisible by 10. Okay. Anandesh, please unmute and read one more time. Anandesh. Yes, Anandesh. Okay, Gautam, please read.
Ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am, Anandesh.
Anandesh, is it possible? Can you read?
Yes,
Okay.
ma'am.
Okay, Gautam, wait. Okay. Yes, Anandesh, start.
If the last digit is even number, it is divisible by 2. If the sum of the digits is divisible by 3,
Divisible by 3.
then it is divisible by 3.
It is divisible. Okay.
If the last two digits form a number divisible by 4, then it is divisible by 4.
Okay.
If the last digit is 0 or 5, then it's divisible by 5.
Okay. Then?
If the number is divisible by both 2 and 3, it is divisible by 6.
Yes. Divisibility rule of 9.
If the sum of the digits is divisible by 9, it is divisible by 9.
Yes. The last one, if the last digit is 0, then it is divisible by
10.
10. Okay. Children, did you understood that divisibility rules? And I want all of you to practice. Who want this now? We will do some problems, okay? Then it will be clear. All the children, please take your rough book. I will give you some questions and you have to tell me whether this is divisible by, I will ask one by one.
Okay, ma'am.
So children, please mute and I'm going to give you like 3, 2, 4, 6 and okay, now you have to Devak, please unmute Devak and tell me, is it divisible by 2? Please unmute.
Yes, ma'am.
Can you read this number?
Yes, 3,246.
Okay. Now my question is it divisible by 2?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Why?
The last digit
is the last digit is an even number. This last digit is an even number. So that means this is divisible by 2. Okay. Now, Christo, please unmute and tell me. Yes, Christo. Christo? I think he's not there. Okay. Now, Ananda Krishnan. Ananda, please unmute. Ananda, please unmute. Is this given number divisible by 3?
Ma'am, which 3,000?
3,246. Whether it is divisible by 3. What do you have to do? You have to add the digits.
Yes,
okay. Add and tell me whether it is possible to divide by 3.
15.
3 plus 2, 5. 5 plus 4, 9.
16.
9 plus 6, 15. Is 15 divisible by 3?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Okay. So children, did you understood that
15.
3 into 5 is 15?
3 into 5,
So
15.
children, so you know how to divide the given number by 2 and 3. So if the last digit is
Yes, ma'am.
if the last digit is even number, then it is divisible by 2. And if the sum of the digit is in the multiplication table of 3, that is divisible by 3. Okay, so we have checked the divisibility rules of 2 and 3. Okay, now next one, 5210. Okay, Felix, tell me whether this is divisible by 2.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, because why? The last digit is
Because it
ending
is
with
the
0.
even number.
Okay, so it is an even number. So this is divisible by
2.
2. Okay, now can you please check this is divisible by 5? Is this divisible by 5? Okay, Gautam, please unmute. Gautam, can you please unmute?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, tell me, is this divisible by 5?
Yes, ma'am.
Why?
Ma'am, because the last digit is 0.
Last, you know, divisibility rule of 5 means either it will be 0 or 5.
5.
5. So this is divisible by 5. Now, Anina, please unmute and tell me, is this divisible by 10? Anina? Yes, Anina? Is this divisible by 10?
What, ma'am?
Is the given number 5210 is divisible by 10? Yes, yes. Why doubt? Because the last digit is 0. If the last digit is 0, that means we can divide the given number by
10.
by 10. Okay. Now, next we are going to check the divisibility rule of 6. Okay. You have to tell me whether the given number is divisible by 6. 3, 2, 6, 1. Okay, who is going to tell me now? Let me see. Alok, can you please unmute and tell me whether this is divisible by 6? How we can check whether this is divisible by 6, Alok? Yes? Alok? Anusri, please unmute. Anusri.
Yes, ma'am. And there are some connectivity issues.
Issue. Okay, that's why you joined again.
Yes, ma'am.
But you were there
Yes,
from
ma'am.
before?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so can you tell me, is this divisible by 6? What is the divisibility rule of 6? It should be divisible by both 2 and 3. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
So is this divisible by 2? Check the last digit. Is it even?
No, ma'am.
No. Okay.
No, it's odd.
It's odd number. That means this
Yes,
is
ma'am.
not divisible by 2. So this is not divisible
Yes,
by
ma'am.
6. Yes? We cannot.
2.
This is last digit is 1. That is, it's an odd number. So this is not divisible by, it's not divisible by 6 also and 2 also. Understood? Okay.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, it is telling which is divisible by 6 should be divisible by 2 and 3, right?
Divisible by 6 means it should be divisible by both 2 and 3.
Here
Okay.
it is
Now,
not
children,
divisible.
I will give you one number. All the children, you
Okay,
have
ma'am.
to check whether these numbers are divisible by what numbers. Like all the children, please note
Okay, ma'am.
down 3, 2, 4, 6. You have to check the divisibility rules of 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, then
9 and 10.
9.
9 and 10.
Okay. check all these and tell me this is divisible by what numbers. All of you, please check.
Okay, ma'am.
Three, 2, 4, 6. Have you written the question? And then you can do as homework. Children, I think the time is going to finish now.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, children, what you have to do?
Okay, ma'am.
What is the question? Please check the number again.
Ma'am, I got the answer.
3,246. Those children,
3,246.
what you have to do? Write down the number 3,246 and check the divisibility rules using rule of 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 9, 10. This we cannot divide by 10 because the last digit is not 0. We cannot divide by
Also
5.
5 also.
The last digit is not 5 or 0. And what do you have to do? 3, 2, 4, 6. Count this number and check the divisibility rules. Then do this as homework. We can discuss in our next class. Okay?
Okay, ma'am.
Ma'am, I got the answer.
Got the
Ma'am, I
answer?
also.
Okay. Can you tell me the numbers?
Ma'am, 2, 3. 2,
2, 3.
2, 3. If it is divisible by 2 and 3, then it will be divisible by 6 also.
2, 3, 6.
Okay. So check again all those children. Please check with the divisibility rules of all the numbers and check whether is there any other
Ma'am, there are
number we can divide by. Okay, children. Bye. We will wind up the session. The
Okay,
time.
ma'am.
Okay, children. What do you have to do for next class? The homework is study the divisibility rules. It is
Okay, ma'am.
Okay,
in
ma'am.
your chapter 6 textbook. Open your chapter 6 division, then you will be able to see the divisibility
Yes,
rule.
ma'am, there is a box.
There is a box in your textbook, and for the next class you have to study all the rules of division, that is divisibility rules of all the numbers. We are not studying 7 and 8. No need of studying 7 and 8. Okay, children, bye.
Bye,
Bye,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Bye. Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.